welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have. So we have to help each other to grow.
Right, so government now go move your five gully. You no move, you no bumbo clot. And she alone below span the gully. Why you no love take away blood clot woman grind for? Eh? It hurt me to see another woman a fight a woman if I even baby mother place. You know who dead in the house where you live in a Lorraine? Who know say the boy father fit dig out the woman? You know who are them the house there? We up there a foreign. A whole heap of people from Haitian days. Then they host the whole. And for yours they pass stop. He can't sell, he can't buy, he can't rent because you no collect money off of you. What do? Put your pa bid it. What do? Go borrow loan off of that house where you live in. Under the basement. You know how much body under there? You know nothing about it? Are you Billy? Do something better with your time. Come show with the house where you built from last year, the mansion with carpet round the side. Come. You no too bad man, you see, you no dirty woman where you call in, come for me. Cause you no can't tell me nothing more, you can't tell me say me used to sell out me all. Me have black and cement and big house and land for show for all when me sell out and me all. Me come on live with house and car. And a Jamaica me live. You saw no big dirty sour woman we sit down up at night time. You no have no wood figure suck. No fi do. You no sit down and call in. You no come like after month stay free. You wanna come for me. Cause me afraid of blood clot, you know, so come for me. And me want to no come for make a fat pound again. Make a poop on social media and tear down the whole social media. Left the woman alone. Find something else for your blood clot topic. Go wash up your plate them. Go wash your dirty drawers them where you have pack up in a basket where the man say. You think me could have my husband and my friend and my husband all when my friend want me husband and my husband attack how me dirty? How me nasty? And there's something there you go do. Him nasty too. Because he can't do better cause no other woman no want that the blood clot to husband the way you got. A last chance you pick up, you know. Lorraine told you hype your husband should have can't step out, you know. Birthday gone long time. Me say I eat the blood clot vampire girl, you see. And dirty Maxine. Then I should have put piece of fish bone across your blood clot throat. When you got Port Royal. Come here like old blood. You know see Maxine? When in the Port Royal. Me and me yard I don't tell me about all clothes. They were the blood clot deep throat Maxine can't come here. Go in at them the all clothes there. Yeah, Lorraine a blood clot friend. The whole no gang up on me dirty blood clot sour mouth Maxine. Look how you come at Jamaica Maxine you couldn't get to. And you talk about how much clothes you send come here and slippers and you come here no look good at bumbo clot you no go look pandan alive. and see blood clot Maxine at Port Royal. Come like a somebody dead left close them shit have on. In a hot Jamaica, you in a long blood clot wool shirt. Eh? Come here, dirty blood clot Nancy Maxine and Lorraine. Lorraine, nobody don't want to feel your bumbo clot coconut brush man. If that man did just 1% better, you would have a blood clot husband. Yes, a thief, me thief for me husband, make him left me and me give him jacket too. Cause anyway the white one, them a sit down, the blood clot black one have to sit down, then fucking lucky me never give him too coolie one too. Come for me. Yes, I'm in here landlord, I'm in here Erica give jacket. Black my son, black and blood clot me. He's a white man and blood clot daddy. Yes, that's all you can come tell me. He know him right father do. He right father call in per life and say have a daddy and a papa. Move on a bumbo clot. Uno come on all the while and come chat up. Change on a blood clot topic. I'll let you man make you man go take cocky all but Dano! Any amount of wood you want pack up under your cellar, pack you up a for your cellar. And pum did come here for use. And you must have go on good for come out with hickey me girl. I jealous over you. I jealous over you. Got you me now give away for me free me yourself. Go away no fi go away. Which one I know over here right up one of the blood clot right up. You go away come back. Same thing hours and night. One of the go away. Scamming. Who a scam you? You have something about the blood clot scam? Where you have for somebody scam? You know where I want them scam? I want them scam off the bleaching cream off of you like how they scam me off a blood clot lady vagina. You see her fingertip them black, you see her face look like somebody get one piece of two before on one side. Who needs a whole set of blood clot? A dirty woman them way a call in. Call in about me later. Yeah. Me never go back road. Marina ship side me go. Yeah, all the white man gone with all of the disgrace. And me give all jacket to the white man. Problem in it? No problem no night. Move and go. You whole a blood clot, you know. Go. Tired of no sick blood clots tomorrow. Before you go no bed at night and go get beauty blood clot sleep. After you ugly like a shovel. Hey, me say if bleaching cream ever stop make. If eyelash ever stop make. If falls here ever stop blood clot make. Someone who can't walk on bumbo clot road. Praise the Lord to the man who make them something, because if some uno ever come back to the right blood clot color, we have to go under the blood clot bed like the chamber pot. Can't go up on front page. You know, remember when people piss in a blood clot piss pot? When your piss pot come out, if your neighbor look the picnic now and carry out on a worse and blood clot chamber pot. Every blood clot night 2-3 o'clock when you get up. Mash mouth bumbo clot Maxine. Come now. What a whole blood clot woman love mix up. What a woman love bumbo clot mix up. Me nah go foreign go married to no man